Pagod ka ba? Pagod na pagod ka ba? Abroad ka, ba't lagi ka naman nasa work? Nakaramdam ka ba ng guilt dahil you missed too many milestones ng pamilya mo, ng mga anak mo? Naisip mo bang may mas magandang paraan para suportahan ang pamilya mo without sacrificing your family time? Do you feel guilty dahil hindi mo maalagaan ang aging parents mo back home due to financial constraint? Every milestone feels like a missed opportunity, and that guilt was overwhelming. Then when my father seriously ill, in and out into the hospital for more than a year, I realized that something has to change. I could not keep sacrificing my precious family time for endless work. And that was my wake-up call. I knew I needed a better way. And that's when I discovered an online digital business. I watched a video ad in YouTube, just like this.
Hello everyone! Isishare ko po sa inyo kung paano po ako kumikita ng $20,000 to $40,000 in just 1 month lang po. So maaaring sasabihin nyo po na, hindi totoo yan. So paano nyo po malalaman kung hindi nyo po aalamin at kung hindi nyo po susubukan? Meron po kaming free webinar that explains everything kung paano po ito gagawin. It's an online business po. I-click po ninyo yung Learn More button sa baba.
With just 1 to 2 hours a day, I learned digital marketing and automation, even as someone like me was not a tech savvy at all. And now, with 24/7 training access and supportive global community, my coach po ako, and I have learned to work smarter, not harder. Exciting part is get the opportunity to help others too. Noong malaman kong register siya globally, kaya the more I was excited, at swak na swak siya sa busy lifestyle ko kasi po flexible and portable. I can bring it with me kahit saan ako magpunta, kahit naka-holiday. Dahil sa online business na ito, I get more time to spend with my kids and family. From 3 jobs noon, I managed to reduce to 1. After weeks of setting up my business, online business, kumikita na po ako sa online. So if you're feeling the same struggle, pagod na sa endless work and missing out of life, so precious moment, tara na po. Check this out. Baka ito na ang matagal ninyong hinahanap. Let's make that change happen because we deserve more than just a paycheck. We deserve to live our life without financial worries. Ako po muli si Raham. Usap po tayo minsan or register on my website which is www.jeffreyluigan.com. That's my husband's name and I can send you more information about the business. Handa po ako ituro sa inyo ang the same system na ginagamit naming lahat. Thank you and hope to see you inside. God bless!